In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate QuickBooks with ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open zapier.com on your browser. This is where we can make the integration happen. Then, click on Create, and then click on Zaps. From here, we can have the Copilot AI help us in building this workflow integration. So, let's describe our workflow. Connect ClickUp with QuickBooks. Then enter. From here, the Copilot would automatically give us options for us to make this integration. Now, let's choose one of the options. For example, create a QuickBooks invoice when a ClickUp task is completed. Enter. Now, do keep in mind, you can make a separate task right here. You don't have to follow this, but this is only an assistance given by Copilot's AI. Now, let's wait for it to finish. You can see, I'm only waiting for it to finish. Very easy, right? So now, we only need to connect and sign in with our QuickBooks Online account and also with our ClickUp account. So once we're done with this connection, we would then have a finished integration between ClickUp and QuickBooks. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.